Hello there, it's Mohiuddin Mahin as an artist and multimedia designer with a sharp eye and passion from Shantamariam University of Creative Technology. Creative and detail-oriented graphic designer turn visuals into dynamic ideas and storytelling. And I'm skilled in Adobe creative suites like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Cinema 4D, and many more. And I worked on video production and post-production. I try to complete my works into dynamic storytelling, and after that, people can get that message from my work. I work for it. I'm a passionate graphic designer who lives to bring new ideas into storytelling and like powerful visuals to connect people. And after that, I do sketches, drawings, and I love to travel more because from that thing I get my thoughts to explore my designs into creative ideas. And after that, I would like to tell about like I tried digital portraits in Photoshop and worked visual communication motion graphic in Cinema 4D and many more. Like I have completed brand design, animation designs to create more creative and meaningful thoughts into my designs. So I have talked already too much, and let's dive into my works. Let's see and let's explore it. Okay, after watching my work, I would like to thanks to you, and let's do something together and explore more new things together. Thank you for your time. Thanks.